Welcome back to Car Fusion, where innovation meets style, and the road always tells a story. Today we dive into a name that has echoed through decades, a sedan that redefines trust, comfort, and now, electrified performance. Get ready to meet the 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid, a car that's not just evolved, it's been completely reborn. Musical note / subtle background music starts. Let's be honest, when you think of reliability, what name comes to mind? Yep, Toyota Camry. But the 2025 Camry Hybrid is here to prove it's not just about dependability anymore. It's about bold styling, sharp performance, and stepping into the future without forgetting where it came from. First impressions? Stunning. The 2025 Camry Hybrid throws away the conservative playbook and embraces a head-turning design that's both elegant and sporty. The front fascia is all new, more aggressive, sculpted, and ready to make a statement on every street. With a wide honeycomb grille, sleek LED headlamps, and a low-slung hood, this Camry looks like it's in motion, even when parked. From the side, bold character lines sweep through the body like brushstrokes on a masterpiece. And the rear? A coupe-like finish, highlighted with sharp LED tail lights and a rear diffuser that whispers performance. Whether you're pulling into the office or heading out for a weekend cruise, the Camry Hybrid 2025 doesn't just show up, it commands attention. Under the hood, Toyota is rewriting what it means to drive a hybrid. Gone are the days when hybrid meant boring. The 2025 Camry Hybrid is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Toyota's latest fifth-generation hybrid system. What does that mean for you? A perfect blend of power and efficiency. It delivers a punchy 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive and up to 232 horsepower with all-wheel drive. Yes, all-wheel drive is now available on the Camry Hybrid for the first time ever. And the fuel economy? Absolutely outstanding. Expect over 50 miles per gallon combined, making every ride not only smoother but also easier on your wallet. The hybrid system switches seamlessly between electric and gas modes, giving you a silent city drive and the confidence of a gas engine when needed. Whether you're weaving through traffic or cruising down the highway, the new Camry offers a responsive, thrilling, and refined drive. Step inside and you'll quickly realize, this isn't the Camry you remember. Toyota has crafted a cabin that feels more premium, more high-tech, and more comfortable than ever before. The dash is now more driver-focused, wrapped in soft-touch materials, elegant finishes, and available two-tone color schemes that add a touch of class. Choose the XLE trim, and you'll find leather-trimmed seats, ambient lighting, and heated and ventilated front seats that make every drive feel like first class. Front and center is a gorgeous 12.3-inch touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment software. It's fast, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No cables, no delays, just instant connection. There's also a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, available on higher trims, giving you real-time data and navigation right in your line of sight. And for audiophiles, an optional 9-speaker JBL premium sound system wraps the cabin in crystal-clear sound. Toyota never compromises on safety, and the 2025 Camry Hybrid continues that legacy with the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite. This includes advanced features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection ***, lane departure alert with steering assist ***, dynamic radar cruise control ***, lane tracing assist ***, road sign assist ***, and even proactive driving assist, which gently helps with braking and steering to avoid hazards. You'll also get blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and an available 360-degree camera system, so you're always covered from every angle. With increasing global focus on sustainability, the 2025 Camry Hybrid is not just a choice, it's a statement. It's proof that you can enjoy performance, comfort, and luxury without sacrificing efficiency or responsibility. It emits significantly less CO2, saves fuel, and provides peace of mind with Toyota's hybrid battery warranty that lasts up to 10 years or 150,000 miles. That's a decade of confidence. The Camry Hybrid 2025 is offered in several well-equipped trims: LE, SE, XLE, and XS, each catering to different tastes and budgets. The LE is all about value, efficient, comfortable, and full of features. The SE brings sporty flair with a more aggressive design and paddle shifters. The XLE leans into luxury, with leather seating, upscale materials, and advanced tech. And the XSE? It combines sport and sophistication, with 19-inch wheels and a design that screams excitement. Starting prices are expected around $29,000 to $35,000, making it one of the most well-rounded and affordable hybrids in the mid-size sedan market. So what makes the 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid a standout? It's the perfect blend of intelligent engineering, timeless design, and electrified performance. Toyota didn't just refresh this sedan, they revolutionized it. It's stylish enough to impress, efficient enough to save, and safe enough to protect what matters most. In a world of complexity, the Camry Hybrid stands as a reminder that smart choices can still be exciting. So what do you think? Is the 2025 Camry Hybrid the future of sedans? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're as excited as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss another ride with Car Fusion. Until next time, drive smart, stay safe, and keep fusing passion with performance.